Welcome to my driveway, my dudes.
Today I'm going to be showing you how to change one of your back bulbs on a Toyota Corolla Fielder hybrid.
Right, let's take a look at the lights. Bottom one looks like it's a reverse light. The next one up is your indicator. Okay, we go up a little more. Right, so this one over here must be just your back light. Don't know if it's visible. Okay, and the top one, top clamp piece there, looks like we have 4 LEDs for the back light. So that's your brake light, I'd imagine, in the middle. It's your back light, your nighttime running light, indicator, reverse light. This car doesn't have any fog light on the back. So same 4, 1, 2, 3.
To get to your bulbs is relatively easy.
You just open the boot. And you'll see the plastic cover on the inside. Okay, so the plastic cover should come open real easy. Came off quite simple. Bottom one is the reverse light. Second from the bottom is the indicator. So from inside, reverse light, indicator. This just looks like the loom attaching it all, and the brake lights themselves are LED. So you'll see the connection up the top for the LEDs. I expect to change the LEDs. You might need to change the whole unit, or you might have to remove the unit, and it's not easy to remove the unit. So I undid the bolts here. There's one there and another one in there somewhere over there, but it didn't want to remove this. There's clips in there as well. You might be able to see one down below there, and it's right. So once you have the cover off, it's not necessary to remove the backlight at all. What I am going to do though is I'm going to remove the main loom, the main cable, by pressing and pulling. So that's the main power. Once you have that disconnected, you can move it out of your way. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 different bulbs in the back here. And to remove these bulbs, it's just a case of twisting until it clicks, and then you'll pull it out. So let's have a look at each of these bulbs. So this is 12 volt, 16 W16W, 16 watt, E4 2EL, Koito Japan 921. Okay. It's important not to get grease on the bulbs, so I'm not going to touch it with my hands. So get a clean piece of tissue if you can. This one pulls straight out, so this is the connection on it. And then to return it, it should be just reverse. Yeah, and click it back in. Okay, this is an amber bulb, very likely an indicator. And this one just pushes in as well. And this says E42FH WY 21 watt. WY21W 12 volt 64K4 Kyoto, Japan. Koito, Japan. next. Okay, working up. This one's a little bit offside. Okay, this is only a tiny little one. And this pushes in as well. Koito 12 volt 5 watt W5W E4 2AR Japan 45E. And the next one, last one, this one has a little tab at the bottom you have to press and pull it out and see if, oh, this is just a connecting block, it's not a bulb. So I press this tab here to take this off. Okay, and once they're all in again, leave your cover, this piece goes over there and it should just click in and you're done.
Thanks for watching today. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, make sure you give us a thumbs up and remember to hit that subscribe button. It won't cost you a penny or a cent, but it will support our channel. Well, thanks again. Have a great day.